So you've heard of the term medical grade skincare, and for those of you who haven't, these are skincare lines that are sold in doctor's office, dermatology clinics, as well as skin clinics. But does the word medical grade skincare actually fit the product characteristics itself? So before we begin, let's have a look at the different characteristics or categories of skincare lines. So let's start with the cosmetics. Now, these are products that are designed to be applied or sit on the skin. They're only there on a superficial level, and they're there to be rubbed, sprayed, applied, sprinkled, etc. Now, all they do is they are involved in beautification and altered appearance on a cosmetic level only, which is a superficial level only. And so we're looking at things like primers as well as makeup. The next category are pharmaceuticals, and these are drugs and are intended for the use and diagnosis and also investigation, cure of treatment, therapy, prevention of disease, and therefore they have pharmacological value. And what does that mean? It means that they will either exert their effects through enzymatic reactions, receptor changes, channels, etc., but they will create a difference, a desired outcome through a change. So the third one, which is marketed as a cosmeceutical, which is a medical grade skincare, and this is really a marketing term. So my question is the cosmeceutical a marketing term that's promoted as a cosmetic with the effects normally associated with a drug or device? The reality is the only products that undergo regulations for efficacy, efficiency, safety, and effectiveness are the drugs. Cosmeceuticals and cosmetics do not, and neither do nutritional supplements. A good example here is the retinoids. So retinol and retinol are cosmeceuticals, whereas retinoic acid, which is tretinoin, is a prescription only, and that is a pharmaceutical. Categories can also change depending on concentration. So here we have fluoride toothpaste, such as Colgate. Here it's found on the shelves, whereas this one here, which is a Durafat, has a higher concentration of fluoride and it's classed as a pharmaceutical. Therefore, you need a prescription for it. So another example here is azelaic acid. So as you can see here from the Ordinary and Paula's Choice, these are found readily on the high street, whereas you have the bottom two are actually prescription only, and that's because the percentage of azelaic acid is much higher in the bottom two items, making it pharmaceutical and prescription only. Now, sunscreens, however, are classed as an OTC because they are there to produce a function and a protective value. So there to protect against the risks of skin cancer. For in terms of sunscreens, they are classed as OTC. So guys, next time you hear the word medical grade skincare, be mindful that this is a mischievous marketing term and it means absolutely nothing. There is no legal category to it, and they're not regulated. Yes, there are ingredients that are absolutely potent and delivery systems that are actually advanced, but that could be recommended by your clinician or your skin specialist. So be very careful when you hear it. It is just a marketing term.